Sir, as we all know that, and we all people heard about AI, artificial intelligence, day by day. So, for the
Yep.
sake of knowledge, I just talk to my friends who are working in the companies right now. We heard that artificial intelligence takes jobs. So, sir, that thing really makes me scared. How, if
Yeah.
these experienced people faces problem, how we are the newcomers, how can we survive in this situation? Whether it is the right path that we are choosing, if what this particular thing happens with us after 3 to 4 years.
Yeah. So good question. Let me answer it. Right. So why is it happening? Is because there are roles which are redundant, which AI can do. Now, for example, you can create a software and it can do that role. So then those roles are not being relevant anymore. But let's
Sir,
understand the role of a data analyst, right?
yes.
So the role of a data analytics is to talk to these clients, understand their business problem, go back, structure it, come up with the problem solving framework, and then implement it using coding, using SQL, using Python, right? So it's an end to end journey. Now, will AI take this job? Can AI go to the client and discuss the problems? Will it give the human touch? Can it do that? No, not possible at the moment. So this is a part which AI can never replace. But AI can definitely automate some tasks for us. Now, if you go to the second part, you have come up with the solution. So now you have to start implementing it, right? Now, implementing the solution end to end also is something which AI cannot do, but it can support you. So the projects which were being done in, let's say, 6 months before, now you can do them in 3 to 4 months using AI, right? That's why we have added AI components. So if you look at problem solving, there is AI that will help you to learn problem solving. If you look at SQL, there is an AI that will give you personalized feedback on where you are going wrong in writing queries. So that will be phase one. Once you are done with all the phase one, you are confident with SQL problem solving, then we'll learn about AI more. Then we'll discuss you as a data analyst, how you can make your life easier with AI. Okay, so
Okay,
the
sir.
future is
Yes.
AI enabled data analyst. That is the future.
So one last question is that, sir, can we, as a data analyst, can we expect that we make career for 15 to 20 years in that particular field? Can we expect according to present scenario?
Can we expect? Yes. So you can expect, but then you have to add AI in your day-to-day work, Paramji. That's it. Right? Because AI is getting involved so much. So just like I said, you have to become AI enabled data analyst.